Total Quality Management Practices in Higher Education Curriculum Development Process in Southern Africa, a conceptual study on the need and issues to implement. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Total Quality Management (TQM) practices offer higher education institutions a transformative approach to enhance their processes, ensuring not just quality education but also organizational excellence that meets global standards. It is against this background that this book chapter ties significant issues and debates on the influence of TQM practices such as student-centric approach, continuous improvement, quality assurance systems, stakeholder involvement, performance metrics, etc., on higher education curriculum development process in Southern Africa. The chapter explores the conceptualization of TQM practices in the context of Southern Africa's higher education curriculum development process, curriculum design, implementation, monitoring and evaluation. The theoretical lens comprising stakeholders, TQM and systems theories is used to explore the indicators of quality in higher education curriculum development, TQM practices within higher education curriculum development and the nexus between TQM practices and curriculum development in higher education. Challenges such as resistance to change, resource constraints, lack of expertise, and cultural barriers were faced in creating a nexus between TQM practices and the curriculum development process in Southern Africa's higher education is articulated. So, this chapter adds voice to the existing argument on the need for higher education institutions in Southern Africa to infuse TQM practices into the curriculum development process to enhance the curriculum design, implementation, monitoring, evaluation and review. Thus, TQM practices empower institutions to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving global landscape, addressing challenges proactively while nurturing innovation and excellence. Introduction. In today's fast-changing world, people are the most important resource for progress. For Southern African countries to grow economically, their higher education systems must help build strong human skills and knowledge. Total Quality Management (TQM) is a strategy that ensures continuous improvement and high standards. When applied to education, TQM helps universities design better learning programs that meet the needs of both students and society. It aims to produce graduates who can think critically, contribute to their communities, and support national development. This chapter explores how TQM can be used to improve the way university courses are developed, the benefits it offers, and the challenges faced in using it. It also explains the key ideas behind TQM and how they relate to quality in education. Ultimately, it highlights the importance of having a consistent and structured approach to building a strong and effective higher education system in Southern Africa. Conclusion. This chapter highlights how Total Quality Management (TQM) practices apply to higher education, focusing on the entire process of curriculum development, including design, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation. The chapter discusses various theories that guide the assessment of quality in curriculum development and emphasizes TQM practices like improving assessment methods, enhancing feedback systems, fostering a quality learning framework, strategic planning, and customer satisfaction. It also examines the challenges faced when integrating TQM practices with the curriculum development process in Southern Africa's higher education systems. Ultimately, the chapter concludes that successfully adopting TQM practices can lead to transformative changes. By promoting a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging collaboration among stakeholders, and optimizing both academic and administrative processes, universities can improve the quality of education, boost operational efficiency, and enhance student satisfaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.